Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening Fortnite and going straight to the party or social screen. This is where the console-only voice channel appears. Next, open Party Settings and select Voice Chat so you can see whether the channel is labeled Console, Cross-Platform, or Party. Make sure your headset is connected, then test voice volume at a moderate level. Once done, toggle the in-game voice options so you can change routing. This first step exposes the current channel and prepares you to remove it. Now you change how voice is routed so the console-only channel disappears. Go to Audio Voice Chat and pick Party or Cross-Platform. Doing this forces Fortnite to merge channels. Then disable any option labeled Allow Voice from Console or Console Voice Channel in Advanced Settings, because that keeps a separate stream active. Also open your console system audio and privacy settings and turn off party voice forwarding if present. After applying these changes, rejoin the party and verify others hear you on the unified channel. Finish by rejoining the party and running a live test so you confirm the console-only channel is gone. If you still see it, unlink then relink your Epic account on the console, clear the game cache, and ensure no third-party chat app is forcing a separate stream. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the console and your router. Many voice routing problems are cache or NAT related, so a full restart plus checking NAT type usually resolves lingering split-channel behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.